Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to configure password reset emails in WooCommerce. This is a useful feature that automatically sends customers a link to reset their password, making account management smooth and hassle-free for everyone involved. Let's dive right in. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WordPress site where WooCommerce is installed. This step is essential because you need access to your dashboard to make any configuration changes. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu. Here you'll see various options for managing your site. Locate and click on WooCommerce. This will expand a submenu with several WooCommerce-specific options. WooCommerce is the backbone of your online store, so this is where you'll control everything from products to customer accounts. From the expanded options that appear under WooCommerce, click on Settings. This will direct you to your WooCommerce settings page, which is the control center for customizing how your store operates. Take a moment to look at the top part of your settings page. You'll notice several tabs there, each dedicated to different aspects of your store's functionality. Among these tabs, you'll see one labeled Accounts and Privacy. Click on it to access the settings related to customer accounts and privacy options. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how customers interact with their accounts on your site, including registration, login, and password management. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the Accounts and Privacy section, you'll see a checkbox next to Account Creation Options. To configure password reset emails, all you have to do is click on this checkbox. This action enables your site to automatically send out a link to customers for password resets and account setup during registration. It's a simple toggle, but it makes a big difference in user experience by ensuring customers can easily recover their accounts if they forget their password. Once you've checked that box, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a button labeled Save Changes. Click on it to finalize your configuration. This step is crucial because without saving, none of your changes will take effect. Give it a moment to process and save your new settings, and that's it. You've successfully configured password reset emails in WooCommerce, ensuring your customers can manage their accounts effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.